Hey guys, so this is gonna be, well, judging my title, I have this, well, if you followed my Twitter, a few weeks ago I said, wait, did anybody on that? No, didn't know that. Well, if this is your cartridge, then congratulations, you're on YouTube then. Well, a few weeks ago I did a video, a comment on Twitter saying what my next video was. It actually wasn't this, but I was bored, had no idea, so I had figured, hey, why not do this? It's really just a it's just the NES version of this game. Pop it in the Nintendo system. Right. Move that. And yeah, it still works. Now I'm gonna switch over to the Acer laptop. And here's the title screen. Let's start. From what I read, they're the same thing. It's just different graphics. And yeah. I'm sorry. Hit the camera. Coastline. Yeah, that's what we'll do. No. Takes a lot of, no, not a lot of skill, but, oh, is the camera lagging? Yep, it's lagging. Oh, just to interrupt this, you can also, let's see, to control the shot, right there. Pressing down, camera's lagging, so I can't really say if I, but pressing down the controller, you can change music. That's music 32. Throw a drift in there. And promotion. Oh, it's lagging. That's the 3D mode. If you happen to own the glasses,
Good for you, because I don't have them. And we're going to stop here, because it's starting to lag really bad. And I don't want to spend 2 hours trying to load a video. So, okay. I think I hit reset. I don't know. It is a good game. If you loved F1 Race on the Game Boy, then you're gonna love this.